Yeah. Kima. These guys is the deadliest massacre I've ever seen, of brother guys. It's a boy, subscribe. We are at 136 subscribers guys. Maji imenihamisha nilikuwa na stay walai. So guys, unaona maji kutoka huko chini kwa lake hadi hapa. Sasa sijui nitaenda wapi. Sawa.
Let's go.
Welcome to Chief Boy Show, where you give victims like yourself total madness. Don't forget the fun. What do we call this? Pictures time.
3, 2, 1.
Hello guys, it's your boy Chief Boy. Sema he he he.
My name is Chief Boy and I live in a small village near Lake Naivasha. Our community has thrived on the lake's bounty for generations. However, this year, the heavy rains have brought devastating floods. The rising waters have swept away our livestock, leaving many families without their primary source of income. Homes have been swept, destroyed, leaving people without shelter. The once lush farms are now underwater and the future of our crops is uncertain. As the waters continue to rise, our community is struggling to cope. We have lost beloved animals and some families have had to evacuate their homes. The sound of rushing water and the sight of submerged buildings are a constant reminder of the destruction. Despite the challenges, our community is coming together to support each other. We are working tirelessly to rescue what's left, rebuild and restore our homes and livelihoods. As the floods ravaged our village, I witnessed the resilience of our community firsthand. Neighbors helped neighbors, strangers became friends, and together we faced the uncertainty. The elderly who had lived through similar challenges shared their wisdom and experience. The youth, with their energy and determination, worked tirelessly to rescue livestock and belongings. Women, with their resourcefulness, cooked meals for the displaced.
Yo, hello guys, so boy Chief Boy guys. Lake Naivasha waters imefanya ni hame guys, ni kubaya. Lake Naivasha waters is the deadliest water massacre nishaiona. Maji inaingia hadi kwa hao guys. Sasa ndio nimeamua ni hame. And let me show you how these waters are. Yeah. Kima.